The lotus doesn't grow in clear water, it rises from mud. Your brain does too. The Lotus Way equals teaching the brain to function not despite struggle, but because of it. Just like a lotus uses mud to grow, you use discomfort to sharpen your mind instead of avoiding it. Why the brain avoid hard things? Brain's default mode equals safety, ease, comfort. It sees discomfort as danger, even when it's growth. The lotus doesn't grow in clean water. It rises from darkness, from mud, from struggle. Your brain is the same. It chooses comfort, but it was designed to bloom in discomfort. Your brain avoids hard things because it believes comfort equals safety. It fears the unknown. It resists effort. This is survival wiring, not failure. But survival is not growth. A lotus that stays in mud never becomes what it was created to be. The Lotus Way begins where you are, not where you wish to be. You don't wait for clarity or motivation. You start in discomfort, and rise through it. The mud is not an enemy, it is origin, teacher, and training. Greatness isn't built through sudden intensity. It's built through small, repeatable discomforts. Tiny pain rewires the brain. Small effort becomes natural effort. Hard work shouldn't feel like punishment. The lotus rises in mud, but opens in sunlight. Pair difficulty with beauty, music, light, scent, warmth. You aren't escaping comfort. You are bringing it with you. The brain chases excitement, not endurance. But you can retrain it. Celebrate completion, not beginning. Finish. Reward. Repeat. This is how hard becomes normal. Your failures, your mistakes, the things you avoid. They are not weights. They are nutrients. The lotus blooms because of mud, not despite it. Your hardest days become your deepest strength. You don't need to begin beautifully. The lotus emerges messy, heavy, unclear. Perfect conditions don't birth strength, pressure does. Start badly. Grow slowly. Bloom eventually. Lotus doesn't rush. Mud doesn't panic. Rising is steady. Becoming is quiet. Hard things become easy only when you stop fighting the difficulty. The Lotus Way is simple, begin in discomfort. Pair it with softness. Finish small, every day. Bloom through the mud. You are built to rise. Comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.